Hey everybody, Danny here with Danny Murphy & Associates at First Team Real Estate. We're here at one of our new listings in Orange on 625 Wrightwood. Awesome neighborhood, interior tract location, not backing or siding anything. You've got hillside over here, which is beautiful. Big 7,200 square foot lot. These houses were built in 63. You can see here we've got low landscape, there's artificial turf in the front, and then we've got low maintenance landscaping and hardscaping. Big, huge driveway, so room for a boat or RV. Plenty of room for your cars. You do have an attached 2-car garage. As you come inside, these houses are built in 63. We've got 4 bedrooms plus what we're calling either a 5th bedroom or a bonus room in the back here. Like I said, just about 1,800 square feet. Real nice house, got a gas fireplace. They've done some nice upgrades, has a new roof in 2022. They put in all the artificial turf. And then we've got, like I said, gas fireplace, nice kitchen with a pantry area, direct access to the garage where you've got gas on the washer or dryer there, but a super private backyard. I'm going to sneak through here real quick. Yeah, but I think people love this backyard. It's real private, quiet. Got the artificial turf, and they've got planters, so if you want to test out your green thumb, you can do that. And then on the other side, we've got RV parking or a boat and small toys over there. Great house. So we're listed for $1,050,000. This is the first weekend on the market. It's been really busy. It is really one of the nicest houses in the price point in this area. So come check us out today. We'll be here till 5. Or if you have questions or want to check it out online, we've got lots of video and pictures and all sorts of good marketing stuff out there. But awesome home, being sold by a great family. So it's waiting for another great buyer here to purchase it. So let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.